to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing today. This is a box from Hey Dude. So they had a sale going on that was, I think my husband said 30% off. I missed that one. So the next sale that they had was buy two of them and get them for $69. So I thought that was a really good deal. Unfortunately, this deal is not going on as I'm making this video now. Go figure. But it might come back. So I have these. These are the flip-flops that I bought. Okay. My husband is Dylan, had the zipper ones, but I guess I don't. So I have a pair that I got from Amazon that are the American flag ones. So I got these. These will match everything. And these are what the name of them were if you're interested. I did get a size 7. These are the shiny ones. They're the exact same thing, except they are the shoes. Me and my husband love Hey Dudes. I mean, we have a problem. So, here is these. Kind of shiny. I thought they were kind of cute. A little different. Next pair, these are the studded pair that I got. I think all of these, yeah, all of these I got in this at the women's size 7. So I thought these would be so freaking cute on the motorcycle. How cute these are. I love them. Love them. And I just got my voice back, so these are the cowgirl bling is what they say. And I think all of these, except the sandals, are all windy. So, really like the windy kind. I'm so excited for these. They're going to be so cute. Look how cute! And then they got silver on the back with the pink logo. How freaking cute those are. Love those. Little detail on the front. Super cute. Definitely love these. Alright. So far I'm just a little concerned about these. They're a little bit shinier than what I expected. But other than that, love these. I think it's okay in the flip-flops, but I just don't know how I feel about them in the shoe. But anyway, that is everything that I got from the sale. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys.